Hello guys, welcome to Tanaji IS Academy, and I am an educator of your quant and reasoning, and in this video we will discuss about coding and decoding. यहाँ पर टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्री रिक्वायर्ड नॉलेज क्या क्या होनी चाहिए वो होगा नंबर्स ऑफ अल्फाबेट। आपको अल्फाबेट्स के नंबर याद होने चाहिए एंड अपोजिट लेटर ऑफ अल्फाबेट भी याद होने चाहिए। लाइक if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3 and d is 4, e is 5, f is 6, g is 7 and h is 8, I is 9, j is 10, k is 11, L is 12, M is 13 and N is 14, O is 15, P 16, Q 17, R is 18, S is 19 and T is 20, U is 21, V is 22, W is 23, X is 24, Y is 25 and last one is Z is 26। अब बात करते हैं कि इनको क्विक लर्न कैसे रख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल here the 3 and this is 1, it completed 4 letter। ये 4 लेटर आप हमेशा याद रखते हैं, ये हमेशा याद होते हैं एंड द लास्ट 2 इज y and z। तो इन 6 लेटर्स को 2 y and z एंड 4 a b c d, इन 6 लेटर को याद करने के लिए आपको किसी ट्रिक की जरूरत नहीं होती। एंड here are the remaining 20 and remaining 20 को याद करने के लिए हम ट्रिक देखते हैं। तो ट्रिक क्या होगी, you have to remember e is 5। तो how you can remember, e is 5 means e4 होता है egg, e4 egg। तो egg is 1 egg is 5 rupees and f is fix, f is क्या होता है fix। तो fix like a similar word 6, so you can remember this number and letter f for fix। G7, as you know the well organization G7 like this, G7 is a organization, so you can remember the letter of G7। H8, here for the H is H for hate, H for hate, hate is similar word like 8, hate and 8, then you can remember the number of H is 8। I 9 is like you have to read I know, I know is I know, then I 9 means आपको क्या करना है, I को 9 याद ना रख के I know याद रखना होगा। तो I know ये यहाँ से याद हो जाएगा। एंड J10 is a Jack 10, K11 Kings 11 Punjab, Kings 11 Punjab। Here is the number of K11 means you can remember the Kings 11 Punjab। L12 means L for love and love 12, you can remember the number of L is love 12। M13 like M for Manmohan Singh, and Manmohan Singh is a ex prime minister, ex prime minister, ex prime minister, and he was the 13th PM. He was the 13th PM. And N. N is 14. N is 14. So you can remember the word letter is N. 14 means Narendra Modi. So who is Narendra Modi? He is the current prime minister, and he is 14th PM. He is 14th PM. And now O. O. The number of O is 15, and you can remember the word Oppo. Oppo 15. Oppo 15. P. P से आप याद रखेंगे PUBG. PUBG. P for PUBG. PUBG का नंबर कितना होता है? 16. एंड Q. Q को याद रखेंगे आप 17 means खतरा. So खतरा and 17 are the similar words. R18 like train 18. Train 18. You know what the another name is? Train 18 is Vande Bharat. Vande Bharat. S19. So S19 is station 19. Station 19. A is the T20. T20 means 20 20 20 20. IPL, like IPL, the league is T20. U21. U21, you can remember the word under 21, and under 21 is a championship which is for football, which is for football under 21. V21. V21 को आप याद रखेंगे as a selfie, as a selfie, because selfie जब हम खींचते हैं तो when we take a selfie तो हम अपने फिंगर्स के लिए इस टाइप का ये V क्रिएट करते हैं. नाउ W. W is 23. सो 23 के लिए हम याद रखेंगे मूवी धमाल. THAMAL. धमाल ही क्यों? बिकॉज धमाल में इस्तेमाल हुआ था W. धमाल में इस्तेमाल हुआ था what? W. Okay. And X is 24. So you can remember the letter X is 24 with the help of Xmas. Xmas. Xmas means actually Xmas is celebrated on 25th. 25th of December. 25th of December. But actually Xmas Eve is celebrated 24th of December. And Y and Z, you always remember Y is 25 and Z is 26. So यहाँ पर हमने ये सभी 20 लेटर्स को याद करने के लिए कुछ ट्रिक देखे कि हम किस लेटर को किस ट्रिक से याद रख सकते हैं. So we completed the number of alphabets, and now we will discuss opposite letter of alphabet. How we can learn opposite letter of alphabet. Moving forward, here I can write the opposite letter of alphabet like this: A and Z, B and Y, C and X, D, W, E, V, F, U, and G, T H S. And I R J Q, JQ, and then K P L O, and the last one is M N. Here I will tell you about the word which is similar like AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, IR, JQ, KP, LO, and MN. So you can remember the AZ pair from the Azad, from Azad, and the BY pair is from boy, BOY, and the CX pair is cracks, cracks, DW, DO, DEW, EV, even, and FU is full, or another word is fuel, FUEL. GT, GT you can remember from the GT road, ROAD, road. HS, HS you can remember high school, high school, or another word is for HS you can learn honey sing, honey sing, SINGH, honey sing. And the next one is IR. IR is Indian Rail, Indian Rail or Indian Railway. You can read this Indian Railway. JQ, JQ you can learn Jack and Queen, Jack and Queen. KP, KP means Kanpur, Kanpur. KP means Kanpur. Or another word is for KP is PK, PK. Okay, got it? And LO, LO is for love, love. Okay, and MN, MN, MAN, man. So मैंने यहाँ पे वो सारे वर्ड्स लिखे हैं जिससे आप आसानी से अल्फाबेट अपोजिट लेटर याद रख सकते हैं। मैं एक बार और फिर से इनको रिवाइज कराता हूँ। ए जेड आप यहाँ से याद करेंगे, बी वाई यहाँ से याद करेंगे, सी एक्स ये याद करेंगे, एंड डी डब्ल्यू ई वी एंड एफ यू, और हेयर इज द वर्ड फ्यूल, एफ यू, एंड जी टी, एंड हाई स्कूल मीन्स एच एंड एस, और another word is for honey sing, H and S. Got it? And the IR, IR for Indian Railway means I and R. JQ, Jack Queen means J and Queen. Kanpur, Kanpur means K and P. And another word is PK. So here you have a one question, and the one question is, what is the another name of Kanpur? What is the another name of Kanpur? And please mention your answer in your comment box. And if you are enjoying this video, please hit a like button and subscribe this channel. So moving forward, LO. LO means love. MN. MN is MN and man. यहाँ पर कोडिंग डिकोडिंग को स्टार्ट करने के लिए जो हमें प्री रिक्वायर्ड नॉलेज की जरूरत थी, अल्फाबेट्स के अपोजिट नंबर एंड अल्फाबेट्स के नंबर, वो हमने यहाँ पर याद कर लिए हैं या उनको पढ़ लिया है। एक बार मैं अल्फाबेट के नंबर और रिवाइज करा देता हूँ आपको। यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं A1 A1 E5 D4 F6 6 G7 G7 is an organization and H8 means H8 I know and J10 means Jack10 K4 Kings 11 Punjab means 11 L4 love means L12 M4 Manmohan Singh ex-prime minister and the number is M is 13 and N is 14 O is 15 the word is Oppo 15 and P is 16 the word is 4P PUBG and the Q is 17 the word for Q is Khatra like Satraha and R18 here you can learn the word train 18 like here I can write this train so हम ट्रेन को हिंदी में लिखेंगे रेल ट्रेन को हिंदी में क्या लिखते हैं रेल लिखते हैं तो we can learn rail 18 we can learn rail 18 and moving forward U is 21 means under 21 and under 21 is a championship and this champion is for football V 22 and V is for selfie W is 23 and 23 like W is a tree in a movie Dhamal X is 24 X is related with Xmas actually Xmas is celebrated 25th of December but Xmas Eve is celebrated on 24th of December Y is 25 you can learn easily and Z is 26 and you can learn easily so A B C and D and Y and Z these 6 letters you can learn easily because here is the 4 initial letter and the last 2 letter okay so moving forward we learn the alphabet numbers and alphabets opposite number so in this video I am just signing off my lecture and in the next video I will start the concept of coding decoding. Thank you.